Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Eddie's Speed Garage. I'm Ed. This is our new 2020 Honda Ridgeline Black Edition, and today I'm going to be addressing the fog light issue. They're not bright enough to do you any good. Even if you were caught in fog, you can't run them without the headlights, so the headlights are so bright they're overbearing that there's no sense in having fog lights. So what I'm going to try to do today is replace the fog light bulbs with LED bulbs in an attempt to match the light output and color of the headlights. Stick around. Alright, so Honda put these fog lights in here as an afterthought. It looks like the only way to get them out is to remove probably about 13 fasteners, Phillips push pins, and a few bolts. So I'll get it open and we'll take a look after that. Alright, so finally, after removing multiple bolts, multiple pieces of plastic, pop rivets, and a couple of Phillips screws, we were able to get access to it. Let me show you the size of the panel you got to remove to get in there though. Okay, so it didn't take me long. I had a little impact gun, so it took me about 3 minutes to get the whole thing out, so it's not too bad. So obviously you can see the bulb right there. There's no way I'm going to be able to film this and take it out at the same time. But basically you just reach in there, you press the clip button, you slide it off of the bulb, and then pull the bulb out. Alright, so these are the bulbs I took out. And these are the bulbs I'm putting in. I got these off of Amazon. They were 20 bucks for the pair. They're 6,000 kelvins. They're light color. I think they're going to look a lot better. Alright, so before I close up the panel, I just want to take a look, make sure they both worked. And they do. And I like the color much more than it was before. So here's the panel again. I'll slap that in. Take a couple minutes and we'll come back. Okay, here she is all buttoned back up. So we'll recap. There's this screw, there's this bolt and this bolt, there's these rivets and this one, and then there's 4 bolts across here, another rivet here, and then the other side is pretty much the opposite. This bolt, that screw, and that rivet. So this was pretty easy. I take back what I said about it being an afterthought. This is a 6-7 minute job if you're not videotaping it. It's pretty easy to do. I mean, for $20, I really like the way it looks a lot better. So like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.